Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar on real-time shop floor data acquisition, analysis and predictive maintenance through VicePass. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yamini and I'm taking care for IIoT channel business for Advantech India. Advantech is having worldwide presence in 27 countries, 14 repair centers, 4 logistics centers and 3 manufacturing sites. Looking at geography exposure and opportunities, we have major revenue contribution from North America, China, Europe, Asia and A Intercon region. Advantech is a global leader in industrial IoT, has been ranked 5th place on the best Taiwan global brands list with a brand value of 632 million USD dollar. And I would like to invite Mr. Vijay for the next session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Vijay Panchal from Bluebee Electronics. I am as a product manager for Advantech product group. In today's session, we show you our little bit on integration capability part, and also we will discuss on case studies which we had executed at various sector of industries. Right now, Bluebee Electronics is associated with more than 20 brands of automation product. We have a very wide range of automation product portfolio for different automation sector like a drive and motion, process automation, vision systems, wide range of sensors, application specific products, and mechatronics product range. And also, we have an in-house manufacturing division like SMPS, control panel, and solar manufacturing. We are basically industrial computing platform provider and one and only VIP Vice Pass member of Advantech in India. We provide both the standard and customized computing server and workstation. And also we provide a VicePass SCADA integration solution. And here we are working very closely with Advantech in a lot of industrial application and supporting our customer from different industries like power industries, water industries, and manufacturing industries like automobile, pharma, textile, plastic, and machine tools. So here I invite my colleague Mr. Tushar and explain about our case study related to Smart Factory.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Hello, audience. This is Tushar Patel from Bluebee Electronics. I am designated senior executive for Advantech product at Bluebee Electronics. Moving to the application case study. This is a CNC machine IoT application. One of our customer, Harsa Engineers, have a number of CNC machines in their premises. These all CNC machines are in a segmented network. CNC machines themselves capable to count produce part, rejection part, but it is limited to machine controller only. To measure the productivity, currently many of customers taking all the readings manually and later on they analyze the data. But here in Advantech WebAccess CNC software, which is an add-on of Advantech WebAccess SCADA, we have a driver for Fanuc, Mitsubishi, Advantech LNC, Siemens, Brother, and KUKA Robotics, by which we can communicate to controller and derive live data, production count, product running, and event and alarm features. Advantech WebAccess CNC software comes with predefined dashboard to easily monitor connected CNC machine and its live parameter. We can use Advantech WebAccess SCADA for better and user-friendly analysis of each and every CNC machine. Henry will brief out about other software features. Now, over to you, Henry.
Right. Thanks for having me today. And I'm Henry Chen from the Advantech headquarters based in Taiwan. We talk about 0.5 million or a million USD dollar at least to invest, for example, MES mass system. But Advantech would like to do differently. In the WISE IoT platform, you can see we pack different solutions into different IApps, and each different app are solving the different pain point. That's why we would like to let you think about what's the digital tools you are lacking of the most. So I believe the core value you could get from Advantech is, first of all, we are not only give you the hardware, but also we combine both hardware and softwares into the total solutions. So the solution here is we call solution ready package. That's because right now with Bluebee as a system integrator, they can use the Advantech developing IoT tool and to really fast up the implementation time. Secondly, I would like to go through some idea for the preventive maintenance. So you can see repair and maintenance are the essential key to keep your performance in each machines. We build up the digitalization tool for you to manage your repair and maintenance activities from the web base or mobile base.
Thank you, Henry. Thank you, everyone. And we will see you next time also. So, thank you.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.